Hello, moneymakers. Have you ever thought about creating a clothing review channel, but got overwhelmed by the idea of purchasing products, shooting videos, and spending hours editing them? Sounds hectic, right? Well, what if I told you there's a way to create a clothing review channel without ever purchasing a single item or showing your face on camera? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new niche where you can automate everything with the power of AI. And let me tell you, the earning potential is limitless. With this method, you can make money not only through YouTube AdSense, but also by adding affiliate links to your descriptions. Think about it. Every time someone watches a clothing-related video, there's a 10 to 20% chance they'll make a purchase. So, if you manage to get just 50,000 views in a month, you could easily sell clothing to 500 people. But that's not all. You'll also attract clothing sponsorships, and you can charge a premium for paid collaborations with brands. The earning opportunities are endless. So grab a cup of coffee and make sure to watch this video all the way through. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of it. Step 1. Finding a video topic. Now the first question is, how will you find trending topics for your YouTube channel that are relevant to your audience? You just need to create videos related to whatever is currently trending, or you can choose topics related to festivals or seasons. Otherwise, you can refer to other channels in your niche that are already popular, and from there, you can get ideas for what kind of videos to make. There are plenty of channels out there that focus solely on clothing reviews. So find a few similar channels and follow them for inspiration. Alright, so currently winter season and Christmas are approaching, so you can create videos about clothing related to this season. In addition, if you type 1 or 2 keywords on YouTube, it will suggest a lot of topics for you, as you can see. You can get plenty of topic ideas from there as well. Alright, with that, we've completed our first step. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2, finding a product. Once you've decided on your topic, the next step is to find a product related to it on Amazon. But before that, you'll need to create an account in the Amazon affiliate program. To do this, search for Amazon affiliate and click on the relevant link. Then follow the step-by-step process to sign up. After creating your account, log into Amazon using the same email associated with your affiliate account. Now search for a product related to your topic. For example, since it's winter season, I'll focus on winter clothes. You'll find plenty of options, but choose a product that has good ratings and reviews. Also, check how many people have purchased it in the past month. You can find this information right on Amazon. Alright, I'll go with this one. It has great reviews and ratings. This is how you should select products from Amazon. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Video creation. For video creation, I'll show you 2 methods. In the first method, I'll introduce you to a tool that can create a complete video for you in just 1 click. The video will look so professional that no one will realize it was made using AI. In the second method, I'll guide you on how to manually create a video step by step. Alright, let's start with the first method. Open your browser and search for TopView AI. Sign up and create an account. This tool also offers features like avatar marketing videos, talking photo avatars, AI image creation, and AI voice generation. To create a video, select the avatar marketing video option. You'll see a variety of avatars available that look incredibly natural. These avatars not only sync lip movements, but also perform realistic actions. I'll go with this one. After choosing an avatar, you'll find multiple options for outfits and positions for the avatar. Select one that best fits your video's theme. I'm selecting this one. Now all you have to do is paste the product link here. It can be from Amazon, Shopify, Pinterest, Etsy, or any other platform. Once you've pasted the link, click Analyze. And within a few moments, the tool will automatically extract all the information from your product link. If you want to add your own material, you can do so here, or you can have it generated by AI. Once the product is analyzed, a pop-up will appear asking which photos or videos you'd like to include in your video. Next, you'll need to choose the script style, aspect ratio, and voiceover. You'll find plenty of options to customize your video.
Video content using lifelike AI voices in less than 1 minute.
I'll go with this one. After making your selections, simply click Generate. Within a short time, you'll have 3 different versions of the video to choose from. If needed, you can generate additional versions or make edits directly to the script. For example, I'll add a line like, "Link in my bio." So I'll click on Edit, add a new row, and insert my custom line. And just like that, our video is ready.
Bring this jacket and have her asking for hugs. Ladies, this jacket turns any guy into Mr. Cozy. Tired of feeling like a popsicle every winter? Ain't nobody got time for cold and wet coats. Winter loves to throw rain and snow at us. Mother Nature is relentless, but we got you. This jacket, total game changer, period. 1,000 millimeter waterproof, stay dry like a boss. Ski, rain or shine, never worry again. Layered with fleece and cotton toasty vibes. Lock in the heat, let the snow fly.
If you want to make further changes, simply go to Edit and make adjustments as needed. Here's another video I created for a different product, and this is the result.
Ever felt uncomfortable in your cozy wear? Finding the right fit can be tricky, right? Introducing the Shawan oversized sweatshirt made from high-quality polyester and cotton. This hoodie is soft, cozy, and durable, perfect for any casual occasion. Pair it with jeans or leggings. Great for outdoor and indoor activities. True-to-size US options available. Embrace comfort and style effortlessly. Get yours today and feel amazing.
Additionally, you can edit the video further by adding stickers, subtitles, background music, and other elements. Top View AI provides all these options, allowing you to create a fully customized video with just one click. Alright, now let's move on to the second method. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. First, gather all the details about your product, including the product description and some reviews, and paste them in one place for easy reference. Next, head over to ChatGPT to generate the script. Enter this prompt. Act like an influencer and write a 60-second video script for my Faceless clothing review channel on insert product name. This complete prompt is available on my WhatsApp channel, which you can access through the link provided in the description. Alright, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated a complete script for us. Make sure to tweak it slightly to match your personal style, so it doesn't sound like it was created by AI. Now let's move on to the next step, collecting images and videos for the product. You can find plenty of images directly on Amazon or the e-commerce site you're using. For videos, use a screen recorder to capture the product videos provided by the seller. If the product has an official website, you can also find videos there. Once you have all the images and videos, head over to CapCut online. Click on Try for free to access the editor. Upload all the product images and videos to your workspace. Navigate to the Elements section, where you'll see an option for avatars. Select an avatar that fits your video theme. Remove the background of the avatar to make it more visually appealing. Next, in the text box, add the script generated by ChatGPT. Note that you can add only 1,000 characters at a time, so you might need to repeat this process 2 to 3 times for longer scripts. Then, select the voice for your avatar and click Generate. Once generated, you'll see the output.
To elevate your casual wardrobe, well, let me introduce you to the Shawan oversized sweatshirt. It's cozy.
It's ready to go. Now, arrange the product images and videos in the background, matching the narration. Place the avatar layer on top and the product visuals below it. This layering will give your video a professional and engaging look. Add the images and videos one by one as per your script. To make your video even more engaging, you can add subtitles. CapCut provides plenty of subtitle options that you can customize based on your style. The final result will look seamless and professional. This is how you can create faceless clothing review videos. If you use Top View AI, it will make the process even smoother and give your video a polished look, all with just one click. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to learn how to create long-form videos in this niche, comment part 2 below. In that video, I'll cover how to set up an Amazon affiliate account and even create your own online store where you can organize all your product links in one place. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next one.